Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. This is Average Joe True North. Starting off with just some ground feeders here. Not the greatest view, but maybe be able to see these dudes a little bit better if we get a coat of snow. So I'll try to do some filming if and when we do in fact get some snow. But it is cold. We're down to freezing. Okay, here is our merit badge sign. I went outside today, so if you do want a sticker of this or a business card or both, just give me a holler and I'll send one to you for free. So I bought some suet and could not find the little suet cage. So today I'm going to do a coffee cup slash teacup suet holder. So here I got a tin cup I got from Sean, and I'm going to fill that up with the store-bought suet, which is beef tallow based, and then I'm going to make some out of some Crisco, birdseed, oats, and peanut butter. Okay, I'm just going to break this up into pieces and stuff it in the cup. Another thing you can do, sometimes you'll have like a teacup in your collection or something that's chipped. This is where you can give it a home, give it a purpose. Fill it full of suet and stick it on a tree, and the birds really enjoy it this time of winter. I heard it's when they really need the oil content. Okay, now I don't have a recipe for this. I'm just kind of throwing it together. I'm going to take half this Crisco, put it in a tin cup, and use that for my cast iron seasoning. I got a lot of cast iron projects coming up. So I'm going to take about half of this and put it in a tin cup. And then the rest of it I'm going to mix with some stuff, some good stuff. Okay, there's the one with the store-bought stuff for the birds to eat. Hopefully the squirrels won't knock this down. They'll probably do it with the other one that I'm going to put in the tree. Okay, so we got some Crisco in there, vegetable shortening, and we're going to add some peanut butter with the help of Tracy Phillips' awesome long spoon that he sent me. Very, very handy, because all I have for the peanut butter is the stuff at the bottom. So thank you, Tracy. I appreciate it. Okay, now I'm going to add a cup or two of still oats. You can use any kind of oats just as long as they're not cooked. Just want to make sure it's raw oats. Heard it's pretty good in the winter time. And now just some mixed birdseed, and I'm going to mix that all together. All right, that was just 4 ingredients: Crisco, peanut butter, birdseed, and oats. There's a whole lot of other stuff you can put in there, dried fruits and There's a whole list online. This is just kind of what I had in the cupboard. So I'm going to fill up this cup and throw the rest out for the squirrels to munch on, have a little treat. And I'll make some footage of them eating off the suet feeder if I can. Well, wish me luck. So I got a little mess of trees back there behind the cowboy camp fire area, and I got the cup on there, but couldn't really see it too well. But I'm just going to leave you with some footage of some gray squirrels and some black squirrels. And at the very end, I'll give you a little preview of the next video. I'm working on a 4-slot egg cup. And I've used one of these before, the non-stick, but I got a cast iron one. Didn't stick, didn't have very good non-stick, but I'm going to smooth it out and get it fixed and get it working. So thanks for watching. I'll see y'all on the next one. Take care. Bye.